What we do on a daily basis is we collate data, we aggregate and we produce reports after the fact on a monthly basis, and we also produce some information for the board package. It is the first step in the data science journey, if you will, which is why I'm here, is to learn the data science portion of it. Some of it is heavy stuff, but it's rewarding stuff. It is put across in a way that, in a manner that I think it's made easier to understand than if you were at online and you were at home doing it yourself. You can only Google so much, but when you've got the access to the data scientists that are here, it just makes things so much easier. It seems like science fiction right now to a lot of people when you mention machine learning. They think you're talking about something that is unattainable, and it's really not the case. It's just a matter of getting down and learning this stuff and then bringing it forth. Given time, I totally think I'm ready to continue to apply data science to my profession. I think it's the next step where we have to go in the predictive analytics field, and instead of reporting after the fact, trying to look into the future and figure out what are the things that we need to do and how can we do them. And I think this course really lends itself to doing that.